This our beloved mother, Pastor Sarah Omakwu. This woman, I just love her. I just hope so many women will imitate the ability to talk, whether they go listen or they no go listen. This is called motherly advice. I know say many people they talk, but make we they also share this kind of woman's message. So, like what I'm seeing here, she is giving the advice which you will just hear right now. She is giving our young ladies advice. Modesty is not for people out there, it's also for your own good. Make we dey try at all. This particular message is mostly directed to our ladies. She also spoke on the excessive makeup where you go just putty your face. Now punishment. I don't know, we don't make video for this thing, but when I see this one, may I share this one because they no go listen to the men. Rather, they go listen to the men where they hype that makeup. Now, when I see this one, I say make I share them because me, I just hate fake, loud makeup. Now punishment to the ladies. But now those where they punish them, they follow. Come and see whether they spend money where they go to buy this thing. It's not easy for them. You talk of the money where they spend, you talk of the uncomfortability, you talk of the effect where that thing they create. I mean loud makeup. Now some of them no fit stop them again because when you stop them, you go tell on you. Some of them are corny or waiting and they call them. They don't fool their face. Face cancer, body cancer or skin cancer is rampaging everywhere. It's also killing their boldness, confidence, because the moment you know fit do that makeup the way you think you're supposed to do, the confidence is gone. It's happening. I'm afraid. I don't want my kids to do it, and you too help yourself. Even if you live with men where they like makeup, tell him that please, you need to stop. You need to help your future. You need to help your body. Your comfortability is important. Your health, your future. May you hear this woman because
if you notice these days, all the women are almost perfect. They want to stop God from laughing. I want our women to be clean and well covered. Till tomorrow, I don't like clothes that are half and here is not covered. I don't like it. I don't want it in family worship center. I don't like clothes with one sleeve and one hand does not have sleeve. Why did God give you two hands? What did the one hand do that you're not covering it? I don't like seeing any private part outside. That's why they call it private part. So armpit is a private part. That is why hair grows there. It's not supposed to be exposed. Have you seen the rubber buttocks they are doing in Nigeria now? What? 2 rubber buckets just hitting. My goodness. Whether you like it or not, let me tell you, it's not Christian. Go and do your body, bring out your breast like this, bring your stomach out, and then bring buttocks. Then what happened? When those things begin to backfire on you, you may not live. I don't like any artificial girls in family worship. I just want you to be beautiful and gracious.
Yeah.
Let the glory of God shine on
Amen.
you. Let the beauty of God be your. Rather than all those cosmetics, pray in the Holy Ghost.
Fake.
Clean your face, put a little makeup and you will look beautiful.
Yeah,
just a little makeup, but with a lot of word and Holy Ghost. But all that botox they are doing these days is scary. If you notice these days, all the women are almost perfect. They want to stop God from laughing. You don't know that all this is God putting it so that you'll be laughing. Because when you see one big stomach and one botox like this and one breast, you'll be laughing. Now you're bringing everything. So you're shocking God. It's like, who is that one? I don't know. Say, angel, is that a new creation? I've not seen that one before.
It's just hilarious that we don't know what we are doing to ourselves. So my own is to spread the message. It's yours to also share, like, and comment. Let's talk in the comment section. Me, now my mind that they talk, so I support what she's saying. Make we minimize this thing. The worst of it, I don't want to mention because I don't do video for plastic surgery one time. They even YouTube called it hate speech, which they brought the video down. And I make my video they spray again. I don't know waiting that video do them. They brought it down. But this one, make I share the one another person talk. It's not good, it's not helping. I saw one. The woman just is hospitalized. Breast whatever implantation. Now it can't turn to breast cancer. They can't comot the two breasts. Now the woman they show for TikTok the other day. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.